Today we're going to review the Dewalt parts bin storage case. This one is DWST14825. So it's IP80, or sorry, 53 rated. It's got a seal around the inside there. We'll open it. It's got these metal latches, but it's got that seal around here. So mainly just keeps moisture. I don't know if it's waterproof, but and then the bins come out, and they are you can fit them in multiple different designs. The little notches in the top are in the shape of the smaller ones, so you can put the big ones anywhere you want because it takes two of the sections of the notches. One big advantage to this is that you can 3D print on these bins here. You see there's these little notches in the corners, and so you can print bins, little trays that go in these bins. So here's a couple of examples that go in the bigger ones. They just have that tab on the corner, and then they just slot right in. And you can print, this one's 2 compartment, that one's 4 compartment. And in this case here, I've already got it set up. I'm going to move a bunch of my screws and stuff over here. So kind of every type of, you can do them vertically for the longer screws you might need. 4 bin, this is the standard one that you print, is just 2 bins or 2 sections in a bin. And then, you know, you don't even have to have dividers in there, but so they go about halfway down, you can see. So you still have half the container to do storage inside of there, and then this slides in, and you can store a lot more variety of fasteners in here using these, but I use these for a little bit of everything. There's also a shallow version of these, which it is the where is the number on this one? It's on the back. DWST14925. It is not IP53 rated because, and I think, you know, you probably could if you wanted to, but it just does not have the gasket. So I think you could even take the gasket out of the other one. And these are kind of the same thing, except for the bins are shallow. And the things you can print for these are primarily just dividers. So they slide in there. They take most of the space. They're like that deep. So they take all the space, but it just allows you to have dividers if you want to in those. And these have these little clasps on the sides. And it's T-stack, I believe. Maybe not, it could be just the older. I know it's one of the older things that Dewalt had, but if you just flip that up and click, gotta have it seated right. On both sides, click, like that. And then it is, you can pick it up and carry it around. A lot of times I will put 3 of them together and then just grab the center one as like the handle, and then it's pretty balanced. But like I said, I use these for everything. Electrical parts. I have one of them that has GoPro mounts in it. There's, well, they're all over the shop. One has drill bits. They have a wide variety of purposes. And they stack well together. I try to only stack 2 or 3 at a time so that you don't have to unstack a ton of them. But these are about $25, I think. And the shallow one is maybe 20. But I always got them on sale, so I've got them anywhere between 10 and like $15 when they were on sale. It was like Black Friday deal. So, but definitely worth it. I have, I think, 20 some of them that I pretty much organize most of the things in my shop with. So good deal. And they have a new version that I don't think provides as much space, but it does fit with their T-Stack 2.0 stuff, so you can click it into that. So that's why they modified them, I believe. All right, thank you. Hope you got some good out of this.